This is a wood-burning fire pit. I'm about to cook some steaks tonight, and it's going viral. This thing was reasonably priced, which is why I decided to pick it up. And it just makes sense, guys. It really does make sense. You got the grill right here, right above the fireplace, right? You can use this to do s'mores. You can use it as an open fire pit for whatever, or you can just actually cook right over it. So I'm gonna throw some steaks on it for the first time. Hopefully I don't burn them, right? I don't know if I'm supposed to keep it up higher or lower. That's just for trial and error. I guess I'll figure it out. But you can lower this to get it lower onto the heat a bit more, right? But yeah, first time trying it, easy to set up, only a couple screws. I had to install these things around. But yeah, I'll show you what it got. I'll show you what it looks like as soon as the fire is ready.